Good evening, everyone. I am Parth Murkhi, and today we will learn about some common network layer attacks. This is the outline of our today's presentation. First, we will know what is a network layer. Then we will go for types of network layer attacks. Then we will learn about some network attacks such as DOS, DDoS, and MITM. And we will study a case study based on these attacks. As we all know, network layer is the third layer of an OSI model. There are two primary jobs of the network layer that a network layer does. One breaks up the segments into network packets and then puts the packets back together at the other end. The other is sending packets through a physical network by finding the best. When these attacks are done on the network layer, they exploit the vulnerabilities in network protocols and infrastructures to disrupt communication. Common types of network layer attacks include denial of service or DOS attack, distributed denial service or DDoS attack, man in the middle or MITM attack, IP spoofing or routing attacks. IP spoofing, in this, it forges a source IP address in packets to impersonate a trusted device. Routing attacks, it manipulates routing protocols to divert, delay, or drop network traffic. On DOS, DDoS, and MITM attacks, we will learn in further depth through a next case study. So let's consider there is a autonomous vehicle company called AutoNav, which operates a fleet of self-driving cars connected via a cloud-based network. These vehicles communicate through a vehicle to infrastructure or V2I network, relying on secure protocols. And since this company became a target of sophisticated cyber networks, affecting the network security at the network layer. First attack is denial of service. A denial of service attack is a cyber attack where a single attacker overwhelms a target system, server, or network with excessive requests, rendering it unavailable to legitimate use. In this scenario, let's say this is the AutoNav communication center or the AutoNav headbase, and there is a vehicle in the ping box. The attacker attacks the vehicle signals and targets the AutoNav central traffic management server by overwhelming it with excessive requests. By sending a flood of malformed network packets, the attacker causes the server to slow down. Impact is the autonomous vehicles experience delays in receiving traffic updates. Some vehicles enter emergency mode due to loss of communication. The company's operational reliability is questioned and leads to reputational damage. Next is distributed denial of service or DDoS attack. Just as the DOS attack, it is an advanced form of DOS where multiple compromised devices flood a targeted system with excessive traffic. The distributed nature of attack makes it more difficult to mitigate as traffic originates from numerous sources simultaneously. In this scenario, a group of hackers exploit the multiple compromised IoT devices, including smart traffic lights and connected roadside units. These devices send a massive volume of network traffic to Fleet Central Command System. The impact is vehicle lose connectivity, emergency response systems fail, creating hazardous road conditions. The next one is man in the middle or MITM attack. A man in the middle attack occurs when an attacker intercepts or alters the communication between two parties. The attacker can eavesdrop, manipulate data, or inject malicious commands by positioning themselves between the sender and the receiver. In this scenario, a cybercriminal gains access to an unsecured public Wi-Fi network used by AutoNav engineers for remote diagnostics. The attacker intercepts communications between the engineer's device and the fleet's controller servers, altering real-time software updating. The impact is the malicious software injected into some vehicles, causing erratic driving behavior. Sensitive vehicle diagnostics and location data are leaked. Trust in AutoNav cyber security measures is undermined and affecting customer confidence. I hope everyone understood these attacks and we